Well, this was a very nice little present that we didn't expect. This, from our friends at YouTube, is a plaque advising us that it's presented to the new Yankee Workshop for passing 100,000 subscribers. Who knew? Well, thanks to you folks for subscribing. And if we get to 1 million, they tell us, we'll get another plaque. So we hope that you're out there. Just look for the button on the website and tell us that what we're doing is what you want. Thanks. Give our beloved viewers a peek behind the scenes. Well,